We're gonna need any plastic bottle of water that you have, and you're gonna have to fill it with water.
Any plastic bottle of water will do.
A little bit lower than half. Then you're gonna have to color the water with anything that you have, colorant and stuff, but I prefer to use ink.
I use this as a replacement for colorant.
So you can see the water that it's clear, you can see it. You're gonna have to use any straw.
Any simple straw, preferably transparent, will do.
You have that can be a little bit see-through. Instead of clay, I'm gonna go with silicone.
I switched out clay for a silicone gun.
So I can not let air go out. And I'm gonna be using scissors.
This item will only help us in the beginning for the cap.
To cut a hole through the cap of the bottle, because that's gonna be needed to insert the straw.
So yeah, here's a little montage of me making the experiment, or building the homemade thermometer that I had to do.
So now that we built the homemade thermometer, how about we try it out to see if it actually works?
In this first part, I have a bowl that I pour extremely hot water in, and as you can see, my thermometer actually went up, which is really good because that's what I should do. But then I switch it over to a room temperature, and it all goes down, so that means it worked. So I decided to do more experimenting, and what I do here is I put hot water in this bowl, but then I put ice to lower the temperature to see if it actually goes down, and it did, like a working thermometer should. And I really like this experiment because it's really cool to do a homemade thermometer. I have it.